week one analysis for USD CAD, US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. We're looking for five things as usual. We're looking for the trend. We're looking for the last candle. We're looking for the levels. We're looking for candlestick confirmation. We call it signal to enter the market entry. And the fifth thing is exit, where to take profit. Let's see what we can see in USD CAD. So in the weekly time frame, price is consolidating. You see price get to that resistance, went down, come back to that support level, went back up. So price consolidating until price break that, go higher, we don't have a trend. We can see price, if until price came down here to that support, break it, we don't have a trend. If we break up, we're gonna have an uptrend. If we break down, we're gonna have a downtrend. So let's look at the candles. Number two, the candlestick is closed on a level. This is the 4 level. Number three, we have 4 levels right here. You can see, and we'll see other levels as we go into lower time frame. So let's go to the daily time frame. All right, so now we see this is the what this is USD CAD daily time frame. You can see the consolidation is between here and here. So price last week start here when this one closed the Friday in 2 weeks. We see price last week start here, open. It even came down to test that level. That's another level. This is a 4-hour level in green. It didn't come back to test it. If you are on the market, if he came back to test it here, that's what we thought was gonna happen. See, we say, hey, if price came here, most likely price might come down to test this before went up. Price didn't do that. Price open, go all the way up. See, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday price break this, and Thursday price start coming down, and Friday price close here at the daily level. This is price break the level as a resistance, come back to test it as a support, and price close right here. So you can see where price is right now, what price might do. It looks like price is trying to do this. Either price gonna do this, go here to come back to test here, come back here again, or come down here. Because remember, it's in a consolidation. This is price might do this. It's in a consolidation, and there is a level right here, 4-hour level. And or price might do this. Open here, came down, do this, come back to test it, came down, come back to test it, and then to go down right here. Price might do that. So let's go to 4-hour time frame so we can see. Last week we said what price might do. You see this? We said the price was here. Price might continue to go up here. Came down to test that 4-hour support. He did not do that. Price get here, open, go up. You can see this is hammer right here, down and close up. It's telling you, hey, if you didn't join, if you thought I was gonna come here and come down, I'm not gonna do that. When it's say here, you say, no, I'm not coming down here. I push down, but I couldn't get to it. The buyers were too strong. They come back and close right here saying, hey, price will continue. Then you could have joined the market right here. Price break it, try profit to take profit somewhere over here. Price did that last week. Price can break it, test it, move up, find some kind of resistance here, came back down. You see that? So price right now, the 4 hours tell us ah, this thing might be more likely. Okay, this is more likely to do this. You see that? I said price was gonna come here in drop down. Look at this. The last four candlestick is a pin bar, a bullish pin bar. Push down. This is the EMA. You can see the two EMA saying, no, I'm going up because 50, 100, and 200 are lined up to go up. And then this candlestick say, hey, I'm gonna I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna continue to go up. That's more likely might happen. Get to that level next week. So if you're in the market, look for another or two verification, what we call candlestick, before you enter the market. Let's go down to the 1 hour time frame so we can see. Hey, okay, all right. So in a 1 hour time frame, do you see more opportunity there? Yes. Okay, you see more opportunity. This is this is it right here. What that this is opportunity, confirmation, confirmation to join up, to join it up. You see, there's another confirmation. Price come, they couldn't do it, break it, come back here and do this confirmation. You could have buy, but it was gonna take you a long time. We see how many hours it's spent here. If you were here, stay in the trade. There's nothing telling you to get out. Okay? See, and then if you wanted to join again, you could have joined right here again if you wanted to. Okay, right here. You could have joined again. Price go up. You see that bearish confirmation. Think price it might go down a little bit. And if you did buy sell somewhere over here, you could have take profit over here. But this is another confirmation to join the party. And then up here, price said, I'm not going up. I don't know what's going on the other side, but I'm not going up. So here he respected it. There he give you confirmation. This is a sell possible to take profit down here. So this is what we're talking about when we're talking about signal to enter and to take profit. I'm gonna take profit over here where the support is, that resistance is. If I take anything here, I'm gonna wait to see how much I can get. A short trade, yes. If I take it here, when it get down here somewhere on one of these EMAs, I'm gonna take profit somewhere here. And now looking looking at where price is in a 1 hour time frame, you can see price is heading a little bit up. Price give you a confirmation. It push down. Price give another confirmation right here. Price right here. Can price go down? Of course, price can. But most likely, price might continue to go up because what I want to see, you see the RSI. The RSI is about 30%, 33%. So it's closer to this area here. So this is why we do analysis, people, so we understand what the market is doing. Once we know the trend, when we know the last candlestick, higher candlestick, weekly and daily, where they close, we want to see what are the possibilities. We know the market move right now. It's moving between two support and resistance. It's gone up and down, up and down. It's moving to between them. So until one break, we don't have a complete trend. Right now, the market is raging between these two. So and then we have possibility to to enter the market. We know all the level. There's about 3 or 4 levels between the consolidation. Every time price get to them, there's possibility for a trade. Every time price break one of them, there's possibility for a retest to take a trade to go to the next support and resistance. This is what the market does, and we have to understand that. Find candlestick that confirm that you can buy or sell, and then take profit in the next level. This is what technical analysis is all about. This was USD CAD technical analysis for week 1 of October.